What's the meaning of alleviation? Alleviation. 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 Alleviation.
The term alleviation refers to the act of lessening or reducing the intensity, severity, or pain of something. It implies the provision of relief from a particular problem, situation, or condition. For instance, alleviation can mean the easing of financial burdens, the reduction of symptoms associated with a medical condition, or the improvement of social or environmental circumstances that negatively impact one's quality of life. Overall, alleviation results in a decrease in the negative effects of the issue at hand, leading to an improved state of being for the individual or group affected.